Hello and welcome back to Ottershaw Cacti. I'm Lottie and in this video we're going to be talking about the weird and wonderful world of cristate plants. Now let's start with what are they? Crested succulent is one which has undergone a mutation in its growth. Instead of growing from a single point like most plants, it grows along a line, creating these wild, fan-shaped forms. Think of it as nature's abstract art, totally unique, and two of them are never exactly the same. Cresting happens when the plant's meristem gets damaged. The meristem is the part found on the tip of roots and shoots responsible for the plant's growth. Instead of growing normally, the succulent splits, leading to a flattened crest-like shape. This happens naturally, which is part of what makes it so special and rare. Now, are they hard to care for? The good news is no. The crested version of your plant requires the same care as the uncrested version. So for succulents, as much light as you can give them, a nice sunny windowsill outside during the summer. They like to be dry. Succulents don't like their roots to sit in water, so give them a good drenching and then let their roots dry out. In the summer, you're looking at once every week for watering, and then in the winter every 4 to 6 weeks, just so their roots have time to be dry. So many people are drawn to crested succulents because of their one-of-a-kind appearances. You can find crested succulents in all species like echeverias, aeoniums, cacti and euphorbias. If you enjoyed learning about cristate plants, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more succulent spotlights, behind the scenes and plant growing tips.